Hello. It's a beautiful time of day, and I am down here taking a walk by this beautiful pond. There's a lot of birds on the water right now. Man, this is so pretty here. A lot of people come down here to fish too. And some people even bring their boats. Let's see what the water looks like. Oh, it's nice and clear. Wow, there's some kind of a thing that the water goes into. Huh, that's interesting. Yeah, this is really nice. I'm really far away from them, but they're still moving away from me. They're smart. Hope you're having a great time, whatever you're doing. Bye-bye.